Hello again and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language lessons that we offer. One of the things I most look forward to every year is the annual IATEFL conference. IATEFL stands for the International Association of Teachers of English as a Foreign Language, and every year they hold a huge conference at a different city here in the UK. And it's always a great way to meet new people and to catch up with all of the friends that I've made in English language teaching from around the world over the last 20 years or so. Last year, the conference was probably inevitably postponed because of the COVID crisis. And this year, it was originally supposed to be held in April and was then moved to June. And as of now, we still don't know whether the conference is going to go ahead or not. I was chatting to a friend of mine about all of this the other day, and he said, to be honest, I don't think it's going to happen this year, but I'm still hoping against hope that it will. If you hope against hope, you hope for something really, really strongly, even though you know it's very unlikely to actually happen. So maybe if there's a person who's gone missing, you hope against hope that they might turn up. Maybe if you take an exam and you perform badly, you still hope against hope that you might have passed. Or if your football team has a big game against some rivals and you're not feeling optimistic, you might still be hoping against hope that they at least draw. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, tell your friends about our channel, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use hope against hope.